Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I am going to show you exactly how to report hacked Facebook account to help protect your friends and the community from security threats. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Facebook app on your device and log in to your personal account using your credentials. This is a necessary first step because you must be an active user to submit an official report against a suspicious profile. Step 2, navigate to your Friends tab and click on the specific profile of the friend whose account has been compromised. Selecting the correct profile ensures that Facebook's security team investigates the right account to prevent further unauthorized activity. Step 3, look for the 3 dots located right beside the message icon on their profile page and tap on them. This menu contains several administrative options and shortcuts that allow you to manage your interaction with that specific user. Step 4, find and tap on Report Profile from the list of options that appears on your screen. This action alerts the platform that there is a problem with the account and starts the formal process of reviewing the user's activity. Step 5, you will be asked what is wrong, so click on the option that says Fake Profile to categorize the issue. This helps the system understand that the person currently using the account is not the legitimate owner of the profile. Step 6, click on They are not a real person to provide further detail about why you are reporting the account. Giving this specific reason helps the automated security systems prioritize the case as a potential identity theft or hack. Step 7, click on the Submit button to send your report directly to the Facebook review team for inspection. This is the most important part of the process as it officially logs the complaint and begins the investigation into the account. Step 8, once the submission is processed, tap on Next to move through the final confirmation screens. This allows the app to show you any additional steps you might want to take, such as blocking the account for your own safety. Step 9, click on Done to finish the reporting process and return to your regular feed. Your report is now active and Facebook will notify you once they have made a decision regarding the hacked profile you flagged. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.